Goal!
Nah.
Hey, Mataji.
I knew that Mataji call. I know the plan. I knew that when Mataji call, I would Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Mataji. I know you had mentioned that you'll be shy if we do something like this, but you have to bear with us today. Okay, so everyone will be. I think we don't have Kamadiki Mataji. She also wanted to join. Shall we start with Kitida Mataji?
Yes.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
How are you, Mataji? Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for your blessing.
Hare, come on, Mataji. What my blessings? Blessings is of your Gurudev, of Krishna, Radharani. And we are so happy to have you, to have your association. You are so, so, so inspiring. And I would just share one thing, when first I met you in Sadhu Sangha, and what attracted me of you was your beautiful chanting. Seriously. Morning Manglarti, the way you were chanting, it was so clear. I was just sitting next to you and I could focus on my chanting because of your superb chanting. So thank you, Mataji, for always being so inspiring. Thank you for opening so much wonderful arenas for all the kids. So all the kids of all ages, they can be Krishna conscious, they can be part of this Bhakti Sangha. It's all your effort. You are the main lead of all this. And by Guru Maharaj's mercy, by Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, everything is falling in place and everything is going so wonderfully. And yes, thank you for engaging me also in this service. And really appreciate the way you are raising Asra and a teenage girl, and of course Jahnavi, such a sweet little girl. So thank you, Mataji. I know you are going through a lot of struggles, not having not more congregation around you, but still you are surviving. You are yourself Krishna conscious. You are making your kids Krishna conscious. So it's truly, truly, truly inspiring, Mataji. So please bless us on your special day so that we can also follow in your footsteps and somehow get engaged in Krishna service. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Have a wonderful day today and many, many, many years ahead. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji. It's all of your blessing, Mataji. Just I try to be give Krishna consciousness to my kids, but all of you are coming forward, especially Prithvilasini Mataji, and all of you are doing so nice services, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Kirtida Mataji. Lalitangi Mataji, you can go ahead, Mataji.
Lalitangi, unmute.
Yeah, wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious Guru Maharaj blessed birthday, Mataji. Such a wonderful soul. You are so nice and dedicated in sadhana, in service, always thinking of how to make the family Krishna conscious and how to spread Krishna consciousness to others. You see how nicely you're doing Facebook videos. So many people are being inspired by that. Seeing Asra and Jahnavi chanting. And I also remember how, every time we meet in Sadhu Sangha, exactly what Kirtana Mataji was saying, I was thinking in my mind that early in the morning, Mangalarti, you are there with 5 months old Jahnavi. And chanting and throughout engaging in all service. And also you transcribe for Guru Maharaj, you read Bhagavatam every day and chant early in the morning. So nice, Mataji. So much to tell about you. And only I can say that we are very, very fortunate to have your association. Because of your deep desire, so many kids now all across US are getting to learn this Krishna consciousness. The summer camp was such a wonderful idea. So many people, 400, 500 kids were attending, and then so many were seeing also offline from around the world. So my humble obeisances to you, Mataji, and my prayer is that may you be blessed by Guru Maharaj immensely to continue like this. May you have good health. May Lord Nrsingadev be with you and protect you, and always keep us in your association, Mataji. Please forgive my offenses, and thank you so much. Such a continuous inspiration. And before moving to Texas, how tough times you underwent, I know. Working jobs and doing everything, but still, you're so fixed up in Krishna consciousness. So when one undergoes tough times and then one is sticking in Krishna consciousness, then that shows that what is there inside. So I really am learning this lesson from you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Lots and lots to say, Mataji, from the heart. But I have lots of people behind me. Yeah, thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
So much, Mataji, for your blessing. You are the inspiration, Mataji, for me to do kids class. Actually, you used to do for the Asra, and it was really helpful for her, Mataji. You are the inspiration, Mataji.
Oh, you are my inspiration, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Lalitangi Mataji. Next, we have Radhika Kasturi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranams, all glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga Mataji. It is my blessing indeed to know you, Mataji. I am very honored and I feel blessed to even be in the part of Association of Devotees. I don't think I'm worth for it, but really speaking, I am blessed to be in the association. Thank you for making me a part of the satsang. I get inspired to see all the devotees, because this each devotee inspires the other devotee to talk. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm getting emotional.
Good.
I'm so sorry, Mataji.
Oh dear.
I'm really sorry. I really didn't mean it. I don't know how this came up. Because this is our third time gathering together for birthday celebrations, and because through these birthdays, what happens is you get to know about the other devotees so much that you don't know about them. I just go to Preeti Mataji's messages to see what that person is, because most of the times I don't have association with that devotee. I try to go and look up, okay, Preeti Mataji, what, because she covers the entire I think the description of the devotee in her birthday wishes. So I go to that message and I see, okay, this is what this devotee is, and I can probably relate to this devotee this way. Likewise, Mataji, you the inspiration for starting Kids Sangha, which means automatically your kids will be nourished. There is no doubt that if you take care of others, you're automatically taken care of. Krishna automatically protects you, and that's what is happening with you. Your devotees are automatically, I mean, your kids are automatically into Krishna consciousness, and there is absolutely no doubt that they will become good devotees of Krishna. And Mataji, what I love about you is your sincerity. Sincerity in any task that you take up. Any task. It can be bhajan session. It can be Madhava group session where you send messages to the group, or it can be a sloka class where you have to teach sloka to the kids. Half an hour before, you send a message to all the groups talking about what sloka you have revised previously and what is going to come forward for your today's session. It is so organized that when I look at the intricacies and the details that goes behind in the planning that happens behind to prepare for the session and then follow up through, because follow up is very much needed. You have to, each and every task has to be followed up on, and kids need that follow up, and you've been doing that very promptly. So sincerity in each seva that you take up is something that really inspires me, Mataji. And then when it comes to Facebook sessions, oh my God, that is definitely from my heart. I should say that I aspire to be like you, because I'm so Facebook averse, in the sense to put up a video on Facebook is something that I shy away from. I say, wow, oh, video and people watching me, and that is something that I and to do it for Krishna, to do it for the pleasure of Krishna, is something that I look forward to in the future. Definitely, because of your inspiration, I will put my video one day on Facebook. I don't know when, but that might happen in future someday. And you'll be my inspiration for that if I do that. Because never has been a time where I put my video, even if it is put, I just remove my video after some time, because I feel so obnoxious looking at me and my video. And it's all because now I'm looking at it from the perspective of me and myself. When I do it for Krishna, then the plates change, right? And then you reverse it, because you're doing for the benefit of common man and livelihood, and because people are benefiting through your whatever you got to say. So Mataji, there is so much to add on. And not only that, I really have to thank you for giving me an opportunity to perform in Madhava session, because Balaram Jayanti is something that I can't forget. And this time Radha Ashtami and Balaram Jayanti, I've been able to contribute, do some little justice to why, I mean, my survival seems to have some sort of justification because of the Sangha. And I really thank you for giving me the opportunity to say some few words to the kids on Balaram Jayanti, Mataji. This means a lot to me, because Balaram ji, he is the guru of all. And I think that opportunity definitely needs a mention. Not only you've been inspiring, you not only you are inspiring as such, but also you are inspiring others to progress in their Krishna conscious service as well. So thank you, Mataji, and Dandavat to you. If I have committed any offense to any of the Vaishnavas here, I sincerely beg a pardon, and ask me to forgive everything, because an offense is something that I'm really scared of. I mentioned this to Preeti Mataji so many times because of Adi Gadadhar Prabhu. Offense is definitely, because knowing or unknowingly, if we have committed anything wrong, please forgive Mataji. But thank you so much for this association. I'm sorry for getting emotional. I don't know where it came from. It was not in my agenda at all. But thank you, Mataji.
You are so
Inspired.
actually, Mataji, you are so kind to me. I started Facebook Live. Guru Maharaj was when COVID started. Guru Maharaj mentioned all of you can make a one video in your language. This COVID time, maybe people can take advantage. And then I never thought that in my mind to make a video, but I thought I'll try to serve Guru Maharaj, And that was my inspiration, and everything, whatever you see good thing in me, Mataji, is just Guru Maharaj's mercy, blessing. I cannot take anything, Mataji, because I know what is there in me, but you made me so emotional, and you never committed any offenses, Mataji. Please forgive me if I did, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Radhika Mataji, your classes are already on Facebook. Bhakti Sangha.
Jai Vinita Mataji.
Thank you, Radhika Kasturi Mataji. You spoke from the heart, so that's why you started to cry, I think.
No, Mataji, I think looking at all the devotees and that really made me emotional. And Anjana Mataji being so sincere, I think everything added up. Thank you and sorry.
No, Mataji. Thank you so much. Very nice. We have Sukhsagari Mataji. Joined, I think. Sukhsagari Mataji, are you there?
Mataji, can I go a little later if you don't mind?
Yeah. Okay, Mataji. Okay, sure, no problem.
Sorry, Mataji. Thank you.
No problem. Priti Vilasini Mataji is next. Priti Mataji, go ahead. Okay.
Okay, should I go now or shall I wait for 2-3 more people so that I hear enough about?
Yes, sure.
Go for the next, and then after 2 people, you again call me. Yeah.
Okay. Lakshmi Mataji is here? Oh, I think she left for something. Okay. Vinita Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji, happy birthday. You and me are close from how many years? It's 9 years, Mataji, 9 years of friendship. I could say today I'm here. Everybody is seeing me in Krishna consciousness because of you. Thank you so much, Mataji. I always, fight with you and I will do everything with you. I'm so sorry, Mataji. And thank you so much for teaching me Bhagavad Gita from the beginning. You taught me for almost 2 years Bhagavad Gita, and then you put me in Bhakti Sangha group. Because of you, I am in Bhakti Sangha group. Thank you for giving me opportunity for teaching Damodar. Nobody will give me opportunity, Mataji. Only you are so merciful. That's why you could give me opportunity to teach in Damodar class, Mataji. Thank you so much for all your love and affection, Mataji. Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you. Thank you, Vinita Mataji. You are here. That's why we are growing so much.
Everything in the Kundi prayers class and Damodar class. Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you, Mataji, for putting me in the path of Guru Maharaj. And then, because of you, I got Guru. Because of you, I got initiation. Everything is because of you, Mataji. Thank you. Thank you so much for being with me as a friend and as a sister, Mataji. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I love you. And Mataji, I learned from you so many things. Like, if you don't have money also, nobody can stop you preaching. If you don't have anything, nobody can stop you preaching, Mataji. I remember with the food stamps that you got for Janavi, you were doing Bhakti Vrishya, Mataji. Nobody will do that, Mataji. Nobody will do that. You were so awesome, Mataji. And you were working very hard in the night time in the restaurant and coming, and that money you were using for preaching, Mataji. I know how much hard you went through. Whenever I feel I have problem for money, I always remember you, Mataji. I know how many years Prabhu was not having salary, but still you were doing home program. I remember 30 people come to your home to eat, Mataji. Papa, you used to cook and you used to have a problem of standing also. You used to sit on the chair, cut the vegetable, make puri, everything is so perfectly. Very nice, Mataji. Thank you so much. And thank you for gifting me DTs in my home, whatever DTs are there because of you. And thank you for always driving from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham and conducting home programs. Almost for 1 year you did it for me. Thank you so much for everything that you did, Mataji. I love you so much. Haribol.
Thank you. Thank you for your association from the beginning, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinita Gandharvika Mataji. That was so sweet. Yeah, Mataji, you wanted to say something?
I'll go next.
Yes, Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, and all of you who spoke before. Thank you, Anjana Gopika Mataji. You're such a wonderful soul. You have been inspiring in various levels to everyone. You have changed the hearts of many people. I just want to mention a few instances. I think I remember I got a contact, Anjana Gopika Alabama. That's how I saved your name. That's how that contact was added to Bhakti Sangha. And then I remember seeing you in Sadhu Sangha, and Janavi was a baby. I don't know how many months, maybe 2-3 months, I don't know. And you were calling out to everybody, whoever would go, Mataji, please come, please bless her. Mataji, bless her. Mataji, bless her. Please bless her. That was your mood. very, very, the mood of servant, that was so clearly visible in your mood. Every time you would see anyone, you would say, please come, please give me blessings, please give Janani blessings. Like that. I remember seeing you, I think I've seen you when in Atlanta, if I'm not wrong. I don't clearly remember, but I think I've seen you a couple of times in Atlanta. And even that time, your mood was like that, extremely humble, down to earth, no airs about yourself, but so capable and so empowered by your spiritual master. That's a very rare quality, Mataji. You're so heavily empowered by him, but you never show it even a bit. It never comes out as pride. So that is such a beautiful quality of a person. And that was so evident in you every time I saw you. And then I remember the phone call you gave when Bhakti Sangha was just created. You called and you asked about Mataji. I love with Lalitangi Mataji, Sukeshwari Mataji, and others. I used to do the kids' classes. Can we also have it on Bhakti Sangha? So that was the trigger. And then that one phone call was the trigger. And then we started the kids' call. And then we saw that for some time it was pretty low profile. Not many people were joining, and it was reading sessions. And then suddenly with some ideas, we just had a talk with each other, and somehow Bhakti Sangha Kids Academy came into existence, and you have been consistently holding it up like like that Atlas man who carries like that. You're holding up Bhakti Sangha Kids Academy, and you've given all of them, everybody, including myself, so many opportunities to serve in this Bhakti Sangha. I mean, definitely we need a very nice person to be called as the principal, and that is so nice for you to be that founder, principal, whatever name you call it. But it's so nice when we say Anjana Gopika Mataji is the face of the Kids Academy. That makes us all so happy. And you have brought out so many gems here who are here. And with your very nice coordination and cooperation with everyone, so many people have come and they have participated in this Bhakti Sangha. And definitely, Mataji, I see that you are extremely capable, especially as everyone mentioned, your Facebook live classes. When you speak, it reaches the heart. I don't understand your language. Nepali, of course, not me, nobody else here, I guess, understands. But then when you speak, I don't know, sometimes I just play like for hours together. I mean, I just go on. Whether I understand or not, it doesn't matter. But certain talk just reaches the soul. You don't have to understand the language, and that is you. And even your CC classes are also like that. They're straight from the heart. Your chanting is also like that, like everyone else has mentioned, it's straight from the heart. So just by example, you're showing so many of us, yes, your children are getting nurtured, but you are also nurturing so many other children in Bhakti Sangha. And we are so happy for it. We are so happy that you have done so many initiatives and taken such wonderful responsibilities. And one beautiful quality is you never micromanage. You'll just let people do what they have to do. That's the quality of a properly situated what do you say, a properly situated person, a devotee. So you have always been like that, and that's the reason so many people are able to serve. It's very hard to see tons of people serving under one banner called as Kids Group or Kids Academy, and that is possible only if the person involved is not non-interfering, and that's a great quality of you, Mataji. So we have so much to learn about you. You have touched the hearts of millions of people, especially your Facebook sessions are amazing. And we are very grateful to you for everything that you have done selflessly. Thank you, Mataji. I'm sure there is so much more to glorify you, but I stop here because everyone is there. And please forgive me. I know I've committed offenses while talking to you. Sometimes I've even said, no, this is what, I've been quite, I don't know, very rude at times. But that's my package, Mataji. Just bear me for who I am. I'm sorry.
Mataji,
happy birthday to you.
Yeah, thank you, Mataji. You are, because of you, Mataji, you are just telling me about everything what you are doing. I'm amazed, Mataji, how you are, because when you came and Bhakti Sangha Kids Academy, everything growing up, Mataji, I was not doing anything. Because of you, Mataji, actually everything is happening. I'm very grateful with you, Mataji, and very, very always grateful. You are doing so much. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for your association, Mataji.
Thank you, Priti Vilasini Mataji. That was wonderful glorification. So we have Shamarupini Mataji also.
Quickly, I just wanted to add one thing. Sorry, Shyamarupini Mataji. I just wanted to add one thing. I remember when she was helping with the Chaitanya Charitamrita classes, she was in Padmasakhi Mataji's house. Even at that time, she would run upstairs to her computer and then she would go pick up her computer, come, and then she would do all the live and everything. She would never miss her service under any circumstance. Just imagine you're not in a situation in the comfort of your home, your room, but still her commitment was so heavy. Anything she took up, she would just give her full. She would learn things just to serve. I mean, that's so amazing. I forgot. I kept it in my mind, but I forgot to say sorry for that.
Mataji, one more point,
Yeah,
Mataji.
yeah.
Please, because this really struck me, Usually, whenever you go anywhere, you always hold your children to you, right? You never leave them. Anjana Mataji is not like that, especially when Jahnavi, like when Asura was very small, she used to just leave. She's in her own world. His Rath was going on in the big New Orleans, and she was leaving Asura, and she herself was dancing and enjoying so much, and she never thinks about anything, and Krishna also takes care of kids very nicely for her, no problem. She used to eat prasadam, went for eating prasadam, leaving Asura in the temple room. Everybody were calling, there was one baby sleeping over there. Whose baby is that? Then she ran and she took her baby. And Asura got one day big hurt, and then still she is not at all worried. I mean, she has a thing that her daughter has hurt, but she is not like, if I would be in her place, I would not move anywhere. I would have sit there and take care of my baby. No, she was still coming with her to the Bhakti Vriksha in Birmingham. I mean, she everything leave it for Krishna, and she don't care for anything. I was so amazing, so amazing. So amazing, and I got more involved in Bhakti Sangha seeing her only, because 2 kids and she used to be always in the call. When I joined first time, I was seeing always in the call. How is she doing? I have only 1 kid. Why can't I do like her? That made me more, I have to become Anjana Mataji. That's when, I took it as like, I will also do like her. I will also do like that.
Now so nicely.
Thank you, Mataji, for sharing that. She's completely surrendered. Mataji surrendered completely.
Yeah, Balram is saying you're like Amrish Maharaj. He's doing like totally like Amrish Maharaj.
I wish.
Wonderful, Balram.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. It's so nice to see you. It's been, I remember when Balram was just 1 year, 2 years. So I used to see you in Murari Farm, Tennessee, a lot. And then Birmingham, Alabama, I came once for the program, just once. Vinita Mataji shared the video, right? That video, Gadi Prabhu, he came for the Kirtan, yes. That time I remember. Yeah, but I was just with my kids, I'm not like you. Because I remember in Murari especially, you were pregnant with Janvi. I cannot believe. And you were like, it was nighttime, it was late. And you were distributing the book. I was like, oh my God, everybody was sitting and eating prasadam. And you were like distributing book, going from each person. I cannot believe. I was like, you are pregnant, you don't care about anything, and you're just distributing book till now, Mataji. So many years, Janvi 6 years. That it's almost 6 years, still I cannot forget. Whenever I see you, only that incident comes to my mind. How you're pregnant and you don't care about yourself, you're just distributing your Guru Maharaj's book, you don't care for anything. I was like, till now I cannot even have 1 ounce of that, thing in me. So always, whenever I see you, whenever I think about you, that incident, it struck for me throughout my life. Because even if I get 1% of what devotion you have, my life will be successful. Seriously, Mataji. That is a very, very great thing, Mataji. Seriously, I have not seen any devotee like that. Seriously, Mataji. Not once I have seen in so many years of my life. But one incident really changed my outlook, how we should behave as a Vaishnava, how dedicated we should be to the service of our Guru Maharaj. And also the way, my kids, they're learning so much. I cannot believe, now Balram has taken interest in learning all the Kunti prayers because of the way you're teaching. We might not be attending, but we see the Facebook classes. you know, whenever we get time on Saturdays because of my other commitment. But you are really, really inspiring. I tell him, Mataji taught this shloka today, so you have to learn that. So he gets, you know, oh yes, Mataji taught this. Oh, I have to learn it, you know. So it's really, really inspiring for the kids, at least, you know, so much to learn from you. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. They are learning so nicely, Mataji. You are teaching very nicely. Parents also should teach them, yes, when we teach them. You are teaching all the sloka to Balram and Subhadra. It's very inspiring to other kids also, Mataji.
Thank you, Shamarupini Mataji. We have Indu Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Anjana Mataji. Dandavat Pranam. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. I don't know where to start, Mataji. Our entire spiritual growth, if there is any at all, it all belongs to you. You're the one who first asked me to join the kids' classes because I thought, I was just looking at something for myself, and I never realized that even kids that age should join, and they could join, and they could be, you could preach to them. So you're the one who started that, Mataji. So if Pranav, if he is even inspired to do anything, it's all because of your mercy. I'm very, very grateful to you for that, Mataji. Mataji, the first time we spoke, that's when you told us that, okay, you should enroll Pranav in these classes. And then we started with the book reading, and immediately it took off as being something really big. And I had no experience, no exposure, and I don't know anything in KC at that time. And you told me, okay, you can also become one of the kids class teachers. I was like, I am not a public person. I don't like to speak in public. I don't know. I can't open my mouth. I have so much of fear and stage fright and everything. And you're like, no, it's okay. It's just a few kids and you can do this. And you gave me this service, and I, from at that time, what I understood was, okay, if someone is giving us a service, we should do it, whether we are capable or not, we should try. And that was the beginning, Mataji. And now you have made us, for 2 years, you have had to bear with us. And I'm so happy. I've learned so much. I remember you're the one who told me like the position of everyone in Panchatattva. I did not know that also. So just everything that we have learned is from you. I'm so happy to have known you, and it's just, I'm just very grateful, Mataji. Thank you so much for being there to inspire us. Every time we speak to you, I don't know from where, the perspective that you give to me is very different. You look at things from a very different, very beautiful perspective. Everything in relation with Krishna and Guru Maharaj. And that's how we also learn to appreciate and to, do things surrendering to Guru Maharaj. So thank you so much for teaching me that too. I don't know what else to say, Mataji. There's so much, and I wrote it down thinking that I know I'm definitely going to miss something. You are so dedicated, and I've heard so much about you. One thing is, Mataji, you are very, very patient with us. I make so many mistakes throughout the week. So many times I have ended the call when it should actually start. I don't go live properly on time. I do so many mistakes, but you don't complain about anything. And of course, Vinita Mataji is the one who has to pick that up. She has to roll with it. But you're so patient with us, Mataji. Thank you so much. And because of that, we learned all the shlokas that we are learning. It's only through your association, through your classes, the Brahma Samhita prayers, I should say. I've not been very good with the Kunti prayer classes for Prana. But everything that we are doing today, it's all thanks to you. So very, very grateful to have your association. All dandavats to you, Mataji. Lots of love, Mataji.
Good services, Mataji. We are really grateful, Mataji. Really.
Thank you, Indu Mataji. Thank you. Shamagauri Mataji, I think she will join back. Maybe in the meantime, I will speak, Mataji. wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much for your association. It's so nice to know you. I mean, I have joined Bhakti Sangha and a part of Govinda for a long time, but I got to know about your glories very slowly, and I got to know that you are the one who was behind this idea of kids classes, and you are taking classes on the Facebook also. I was thinking, wow, Anjana Mataji is doing so many things, and still you're so simple and humble always. That's such a wonderful quality you have, Mataji. Thank you for all those shloka classes you're taking. Thank you for that. Akshita is learning Kunti prayers because you are taking the class. I don't think I would have done that with her. And you're taking it so nicely, and she participated in that, and when she got selected, I thought of you only first, and I immediately messaged you, Mataji, because of you actually she could do it. Thank you so much for that. And you are really inspiration as a mother also. I mean, we used to see Asara's videos when she was little young, and they used to forward those videos, and Akshita really used to like those. Asra is really inspiration for Akshita. Thank you for everything, Mataji. Am I missing something? Yeah, I wanted to say something else also. If I remember, I will again point out, Mataji. Sorry.
Thank you,
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Akshita. Thank you so much.
Mataji. Sorry, Mataji, say it. Sorry.
No, you are doing very wonderful services, Mataji.
I'm just trying. I know what I'm doing. I know, Mataji, actually. And thank you for giving me the opportunity for bhajan classes also. Actually, I'm not qualified. I'm nowhere close to Sukhasagari Mataji or anybody. But still, you gave it to me, and somehow I'm trying. So thank you for that service to me also, Mataji. Thank you for everything.
You had that, Mataji. Expressed you that long time back to teach Vaishnava song. I thought.
Yeah, I had asked you, like, is it going on? And then if nobody's there, please tell me. And yeah, but you remembered that and you asked me that. It really means a lot, Mataji. Thank you for that opportunity.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Akshita. Thank you, Mataji, for your wonderful.
Next, okay, Shama Gauri Mataji is still not here, right? No. Radhika Mataji is there.
Is it okay if I can?
Will you guys go?
Yes, Mataji. Please go ahead.
Wants to go.
Sukhasagari Mataji, sorry, yeah, she wanted to go. Radhika Mataji, can you wait?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah, yes, I can wait. Mataji, you can go ahead. Sukhasagari Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, sorry to barge in like that.
No, Mataji, I can wait. No problem.
Thank you, Mata. Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. The first thing that comes to my mind whenever I think of you is this verse, Anudvega karam vakyam satyam priya hitam chayat swadhyayam vesanam chaiva vanmayam tapauchite. So your words, the way you speak, this is Anudvega karam. It does not agitate anybody. I mean, it's so calming, it's so peaceful that like Preeti was saying, we could just keep listening to your voice because it's so soothing and calming. And forgive me for sharing this, but I have once or twice told Preeti that I don't even know if Mataji ever raises her voice with her kids. Maybe that even when she does that, if she is upset, maybe that'll be like a song to her kids. Really, her kids would never know if if she's upset with them or anything, because I've always heard you and heard your voice like in the same soothing, calming. I mean, there is no excitement or anything like that in your voice, so it is so soothing and calming. So yes, I did mention to Preeti that I don't think Mataji could ever raise her voice, and her kids would always think mom always sang to us, like that. And that is really so I mean, that quality in you is attracts me so much, Mataji. I've never seen you like literally raise your voice and show any kind of agitation or anything like that. So also when the other devotees, they shared their experiences with you, it's all the more inspiring to me to get to know more about you. And like Vinita Mataji was saying, that you gave her the chance to give classes, and I'm sure with your mercy and potency, she may soon be giving a class at GBC meetings. And and like Preeti and Ruth don't go together. I don't know why she even mentioned that. So it's always, yeah, so it's always inspiring to see you, Mataji. And even when you contact me for
Mama,
bhajan
I'm mute.
classes and things like that, you're so patient with me. You so lovingly, without any kind of with so much of humility, you actually do the video, and then you're like, yes, Mataji, I will manage, don't worry, I will manage, don't worry. So it's like you just own up the whole thing and do it. You do the kids bhajans class, so all that, I'm so grateful to you, Mataji, that so selflessly you just put yourself out there, and you're trying to preach in such a selfless and a sweet way, Mataji. So these are some qualities I wish to imbibe from you, Mataji. Have a great birthday, Mataji, and also a wonderful Krishna conscious time ahead. Thank you so much for your kind and association.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji, for your blessing. I always like your class, Mataji, especially when you teach the song to the kids, especially Asra likes so much. In both classes, you are teaching older kids and the mother by younger also. You teach very nicely, Mataji. It's very inspiring to me.
Mataji, I forgot to tell, your daughters are also equally inspiring, like mom, like daughters, they say. So yeah, Asra and Janvi also are, I've heard Asra like manage a session, or once she taught, right? I mean, when there was the summer camp, she gave a class, right, Asra?
She was teaching a craft, Mataji.
Yeah, she was teaching, and the way she handled, just like you, so patiently and so lovingly. So I do remember that class, Mataji. I didn't come live, but I watched it on Facebook. And so, I mean, your children are imbibing your qualities too, and they're so wonderful to associate with your whole family, Mataji. Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And Mataji, I always raised my voice to my kids. I don't think like that. I have, I am totally different person at home, Mataji. Totally different. Not out. I wish one day I will apply all these things.
Thank you so much. Anjana Mataji, we don't believe that you're raising your voice. I felt the same actually.
Yeah, I don't believe. I mean, even if she does, it'll be like a song.
I feel the same for you also, Sukhasagari.
Oh, me? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Preeti knows me.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, yes. Her voice is like sweet.
Yeah. Sukhasagari Mataji never raises her voice to her kid.
Yeah, you should ask my husband and my daughter that. Then maybe you'll know the truth.
I have told Preeti Mataji 2-3 times. He's so calm and composed always, so soft spoken. And you both are sisters in that case, I think. You and Anjana Mataji, you both are same. Thank you, Mataji. Radhika Mataji, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji, Dandvat Pranam. Wish you a very, very happy, wonderful, cheerful birthday wishes, Mataji. Mataji, what to start about you, Mataji? You are very inspiring and nice preaching and everything, Mataji. When Karthik used to join in Damodar class, you used to message me regularly when exam times and everything. Like I could not make him join. Like when he was like 5 to 6 years, he used to join in Damodar at exam time, and every time you used to message me. And after like when 7 years, he was about to join in Govinda, but he used to feel very tough in Govinda class. So he used to not attend regularly. Then again, Vinita Mataji and you messaged me, he can rejoin in Damodar class. But when he rejoined in Damodar class, he used to feel like there are younger kids, I won't join in that. So that time, like I used to do like service in like a temple. I used to be the Sunday school teacher, so I was more concentrating there. So, but later again, he felt like I will only join in the Govinda Kid, and he used to do everything like he's doing okay now. So because of all your inspiration, thank you so much, Mataji, like encouraging kids in each and every step, Mataji. And I used to remember like when my temple president, he used to always say that like these kids are like our future icons, like Prabhupada always used to mention that. So in that, you all are doing amazing job, Mataji. So I can't say more than that. Anything like whatever you're doing, raising kids as a motherhood and everything is amazing. Nothing used to say like what we say like Krishna loves when every devotee loves that person, whatever is inspired by everything. So if devotees loves that person, Krishna obviously loves that person so sweetly and nicely. So you have all that qualities, Mataji. So everyone loves you, and thank you so much for your association, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. You are making video for everyone, Mataji. It's so wonderful. All the devotees appreciating so nicely. And especially I remember Ansu, when she joined the Madhava class in the beginning. She used to join the Vaishnava Sangh class and both classes. Yeah. Thank you, Mataji. Continuously doing all the services in Govinda class. So many services you are getting with Mataji. Really, really grateful, Mataji.
Thank you.
Hare
Yeah,
Krishna,
that time I
Mataji.
used to.
Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Ansu. You are really very inspiring to so many kids. You are joining many times. You are joining all the
Thank you,
classes.
Mataji.
Your voice.
Now I'm not even getting time because of school. I was joining the morning class also. But now since school started, I'm not even getting time. So I tried to join in the morning, but so.
No problem. Whenever you have time, please join. And your voice, when you were giving the presentation, when you, it was so nice. You were singing so nicely with so much of devotion, Ansu. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Happy birthday, Mataji.
Thank you, Karthik. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Radhika Mataji. Next we have Padma Sakhi Mataji. Mataji, unmute yourself, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji, please accept my Dandavat Pranam. So, how many of you stayed with Anjana Gopika Mataji 24/7 for 1 month? Nobody, right? But I stayed with her for 1 whole month, 24/7, day and night, with Mataji and Jahnavi. So, maybe I will be the best person to tell about Mataji then.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So Mataji stayed with me when I was in very much need. She was the first person to come and stay with me. She took care of me, my needs, and she only added me in Bhakti Sangha group actually. And I still remember she did so much. And during that time also, I used to see she was staying with me. So she was thinking that I have to do justice to this Mataji, but I could clearly see in her face that she wants to do the duties also, Bhakti Sangha duties, then reading with her daughter Asara, and teach like small kids. That time there was no this live sessions, so she used to sit and she used to hesitate what will Prabhuji think? What will Mataji think? Maybe they will think that we are paying, but she's not doing anything. I used to see she was not expressive. Then I used to make her comfortable. Mataji, no, please, please do. Then there were only 2-3 kids joining. She used to sit with them, make my kids also sit, and then read. Then we used to, like, even till date, I still remember Mataji, how much she used to, struggle. Like she has lots of love towards Bhagavatam, and she used to tell me, Mataji, read Bhagavatam every day. And so nicely she used to serve me. Mataji, I am eternally grateful to you. That much I can say. I can say that till I am alive, but afterwards also, life after life, I will be very, very grateful to you and your inspiration, your wonderful family. Prabhuji has dropped you so long, he picked you, and your wonderful kids. You are very, very inspiring, Mataji. Yesterday only I was hearing my Prabhu saying that in 3rd canto, where Krishna was saying, the whole world is behind Lakshmi. Nobody says we don't want Lakshmi. Everybody wants Lakshmi. But Krishna is saying he is not attracted to Lakshmi, but he is attracted to his devotees. So devotees are very, very special. And amongst the devotees, you are one of the very, very special, Mataji. I can never forget the 1 month that we spent together. I'm saying from the bottom of my heart. She used to give shower to my kids, and my kids would not let her give shower because they are not used to Mataji, and she would struggle like, oh, Mataji. And she used to tell Mataji, you have to drink juice. Prabhuji will said that you have to drink juice. You're not drinking anything. Drink, Mataji, drink, Mataji. She used to massage my head when I was terribly low. She did so much for me. And thank you, Mataji. I didn't do anything for you. I am very, very indebted. But I can only pray, whatever my prayers are worth, that you should always be very, very healthy, always reading Bhagavatam, inspiring everybody to read Bhagavatam, raising your wonderful family, kids, serving your husband and your Guru Maharaj very, very nicely, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Padmasakhi Mataji. You are so sweet. I know that you were so much of suffering that time. I could feel now how you went through all the situation, then now so nicely settled and teaching kids Krishna consciousness with Prabhuji. So happy, Mataji, for you. Never forget to you also.
All your prayers, Mataji. It started with you. I really wanted a devotee, and Krishna arranged a wonderful devotees to stay with me.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Padmasakhi Mataji, for your heartfelt glorification. Sorry. We have Vrinda Gopika Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopi, Koti Koti Dandvat Pranam, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev ki jai. I never forget when you visit to Atlanta Panihati Dham, and that time you came our home, and I learned one lesson: patience. So patience. It is too late because of some reason, and Mataji, you sit outside and sit down and nearby Tulsi Maharani and chanting your japa. So you are so particular about your seva, Mataji, and you train your ashra. One time I have seen one video that ashra is doing kirtan and you are backside. So you are always backside director of all Vaishnava, Mataji. Don't want to come in front, and so shy, Mataji. And all are doing kirtan. So you are engaging all Vaishnava in a bhakti, Mataji. That is touch to heart. And Mataji, I have seen that in a bhakti, in Atlanta Panihati Dham, Prabhuji is just on, and up to last minute you are preaching Vaishnava, Krishna Katha, Krishna Katha, Krishna Katha. And I have seen Ashra, how nicely she is singing bhajan in front of our Garima and little kids, and she is doing seva, and she takes seva in a temple kitchen also, Mataji. So that is touch to heart, Mataji. And I learned actually basically Kishori and came our home and doing Bhakti Vriksha class and children class, Mataji. But so hard life, Now I become free from all the responsibility. So I sit with all kids and learn Bhagavad Gita slokas. One sloka you are repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it's by heart to our Janvi Gopi and little Vrinda Gopi. So that is the sincerity of Vaishnava, that if was Vaishnav sadhana is so strong, then whatever they speak, they directly affect to the other Vaishnav heart. And Srila Prabhupada dream that we have to take children's class. And Mataji, you have to do, I have seen so nicely teaching, like so sincerely translation, making all the slides. So Mataji, I am zero, a big zero. I know a little bit computer, basic course after my graduation. So Mataji, I don't know about email and about Facebook and nothing. But yesterday Ram Prabhuji told that we have to use this Facebook for preaching. And everybody said that how nicely you preaching Sri Bhagavad Gita in a Facebook, Mataji, to your community people. I have seen in Bhakti Atlanta Paniyati Dham that there is your community Vaishnava, and you started speaking Sisi Bhagavatam. So Mataji, you are a guy, you know, guide Bachuda, guy and Bachuda, so sincere, and you just inspiring Vaishnava that you can do Brinda, Akshita's mother, you can do this seva, you can do that seva, and you are involving one by one in a sevas, Mataji. That is touch to heart, Mataji. No words to your sincere seva. Please pray for me that at least I become an ant leg and do little kids seva, Mataji. Anjana Gopi, I just offer 1 second only. This is my favorite bhajan, Mataji. Namo Vishwade Krishna Pashtabhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami iti namine, Namo Vishwade Krishna Pashtabhutale Srimati Radhanath Maharaj iti namine, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasati Gaur Bhaktivinoda. One more thing I want to add, that Jai Pataka Maharaj, I'm so attached. I have seen Radhanath Maharaj in Jai Pataka Maharaj. We are doing seva in the kitchen together, and whatever material problem I am passing, I just talk in the mind and just Jai Pataka Maharaj turn the face. So that our spiritual master knows everything, which situation we are passing. So I get the association in Bhaktivedanta Hospital also. Without saying anything, they understand. And even that time also I understand Jai Pataka Maharaj language. So I offering this bhajan for you. Gopinath Mama Nivedana Suno Visai Durjana Sada Kamarata Kichu Nahi Mora Guna Gopinath Amara Bharasa Tumi Tumari Charane Lailo Sarane Tumhara Kinkara Ami Gopinath ke mano sodhibe more न जानी भक्ति कर्मे जड़े गाती पूछिया सुंभार भोरे गोपीनाथ mama nivedana suno. Anjana Gopi, pray for me. Birth after birth, I get such a strong association of Bhakti Sangha. In my struggle time also, working in night shift, and still I get up and do japa attentively. Shambhari Prabhu and Vrishabhanu Prabhu told, you have to get up and do your japa and then only start job. And pray for me that I get such a strong association of you, Priti Vilasini, Kirtidas Sundari, Akshita's mother, Bal Vrunda's mother, all group at my Shama Gori are inspiring me so much. आप लोग की तो चरण कमल धोके पी तो भी वो काफी नहीं है. मैं बस आप सबकी चरण कमल पकड़ के रखूं और भक्ति में थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रोसेस करके गुरुदेव की सेवा में थोड़ा सा हाथ बटा पाऊं. इतनी प्रेयर हमारे लिए करना. कोटि कोटि दंडवत प्रणाम अंजना गोपी for your sincere seva, especially patience. Prabhuji becomes so angry and you just calm and cool and patiently give an answer to them. That is touch to my heart. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Koti Koti Dandavat Pranam to all Vaishnava.
Thank you so much, Mataji. You are so sweet, you know. You are always serving devotees and glorifying devotees. Thank you so much, Mataji. You are really, really inspiring to me, especially serving the Vaishnava. You are the personification, Mataji. When I saw in Atlanta, I wish I could be like you, Mataji. Thank you so much. My Prabhuji and me always talk about you, Mataji. Just glorify the devotee. Nothing else come from your mouth, Mataji. Thank you.
Anjana Gopika Mataji's chanting is so powerful, Mataji. So powerfully she chants. So powerful. Whenever I am not chanting little well, I get reminded of how she used to chant. Really, I am not lying.
That's so nice to know, Mataji. This is what we get to know about each other on such occasions. Many more things. Thank you, Vrinda Gopika Mataji. Thank you, Padma Sakhi Mataji. We have Lakshmi Mataji next.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji. I really have no words to express my feelings for you, but wish you a very, very happy birthday. I know you're so dedicated towards Krishna consciousness. That's something you're spreading everywhere. Whenever you get the opportunity, starting from kids class to everything you do, it shows the kind of dedication and devotion you have. I still remember my time that I'm still taking baby steps, but you actually kind of pulled me into Damodar's class, and I wasn't confident. I was never confident that I could do it because I've never done it in my life, never taught kids or never taken kids class. But you didn't leave me until I said yes, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be a part of these classes. You gave me this opportunity, and that's something I really enjoy doing and look forward to it, which I didn't know. And that's something you do for everybody. So yeah, and yeah, I really have no words, but I kind of remember the days when I got to spend some time with you, to get to know you better, really cherish those days. Besides that, the way you have brought up your kids, both the kids, it is amazing and had been an inspiration. Even though I tried hard, I couldn't do it because I myself started practicing Krishna consciousness very, very late in my life. So, well, my daughter was already already a teenager when I started, but you really inspired me, and I really tried inculcating some of your tips into the day-to-day life. That's it. I just wish you best of everything and best in everything you do. You're a very simple person, but yet loaded with creativity, innovation, the way you practice. And you even make sure that even though every individual is responsible for what they're doing in the classes, you just make sure that you remind everybody to be on the top of things. I mean, how do you do that? How do you manage so much everywhere? It's just, I can't even think of. So really, I really wish you good luck in everything you do. And you get mercy from the Lord and Guru Maharaj all the time to achieve whatever you're planning to achieve. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi Mataji. You are very, very sweet, Mataji. Whenever I request, you never say no, Mataji. Whatever I request, even though you don't know how to do, but you just say yes, Mataji. You are so sweet. And then your class are amazing, Mataji. Kids class and Devnagari class, so nice. Kids are learning so nicely, and they like also, Mataji. Thank you so much for your services, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Lakshmi Mataji. Mamata Mataji is there. Shama Gauri Mataji has not joined, right? Oh, Shama Gauri Mataji. She is joined.
There it is. Yeah.
Okay, Mamata Mataji.
Shama Gauri is there.
Okay, Mamata Mataji, can you please? I just saw her. Sorry, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji. Dandavat Pranam, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Mataji, you are so sweet, you know. I first of all, happy Krishna conscious birthday to you, and pray to Shri Guru and Gauranga to always keep you engaged in devotional service so that we also get inspired by you. And I know you since like when very first Bhakti Sangha call had started. You would take kids class at 7 in the evening. That time me and Garima would join. You were so sweet in doing one round of chanting, and then we would read Krishna book. And I remember you taking her name so lovingly, Garima, Asra, and all the kids, they would join. And then slowly, now it has grown. It's such a, we are witnessing a history, in Bhakti Sangha kids class. So that is so nice. And you would always encourage girls to join presentation. Like initially when it started, Gehna and Garima, Gehna, I think she did 2 presentations. With your inspiration and your guidance, it was so nice. And I always like to see you Facebook live. That is the most favorite part of Facebook. Like whenever I join, I get update that Anjana Gopika was live, or you are live, or you were live. And I see it is so exemplary that you have both the girls by your side and they sit with you, and so lovingly, they are chanting. They are like your right hand and your left hand. And I really like that, love that sight. I like to see that so much. It is the inspiration. And now I also follow your daughter on Instagram, and I see their posts. They are all so nice, Mataji. And I hear your classes also on Facebook live, and even Bhakti Sangha. They are very nectarian. And how you are doing translation and proofreading in Nepali for Guru Maharaj's lectures. No, Mataji, there is no way that I can describe all the glories all the Matajis are doing, and I second all of them. They are endless, and we love you, Mataji. We love you and your family. Hare Krishna,
Thank you.
Mataji. Keep
Thank you,
inspiring us.
Mataji. You are always so kind to me. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mamta Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Shamagori Mataji, please go next. Is there? Shamagori Mataji? Oh, I think she's busy.
She was there a second back, right?
Yeah, I thought she was going.
She's here.
Okay.
Shamagori?
Next.
I think she just stepped away. Okay, you can go with the next one.
Jyoti Mataji.
We have Jyoti Mataji from India. So early.
Shamagori Mataji is unmute now.
Huh? Oh, she has unmuted. Okay, Shamagori Mataji. Are you there, Shamagori?
Yeah, I'm there, Mataji.
Please go ahead, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji. Dandavot Pranam. Wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. And thank you so much, Mataji, for all your contribution to Bhakti Sangha and Krishna consciousness. Very, very inspiring, Mataji. Your chanting inspires me to chant more, Mataji. And, I know we met first time in Atlanta, where, when even Janvi was not there. And Ashra was so small, and I was so attracted to you because of your simplicity, and you were there in Alabama, and that from that time you were joining always. And when Bhakti Sangha started, you started chanting early morning. You come and you chant, and that's how you inspire everybody. And I remember one time we were talking about like sorry, I was getting call. Yeah, so I was talking about the kids program, what will happen, because only 2-3 kids were joining. And I don't know what you did, the magic. All the Bhakti Sangha Academy came up and so many kids joined, and so nice. So thank you, Mataji. Thank you. Happy Krishna Conscious Birthday.
Mataji, thank you for your blessing, and you are always encouraging us, Mataji, in the services. Thank you.
Thank you, Shama Gauri Mataji. We have Jyoti Mataji all the way from India so early. Mataji, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Guru Maharaj and Srila Prabhupada. Very, very happy to join this call to wish Anjana Gopika Mataji. Can you all hear Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
A very, very happy birthday to Anjana Mataji. It's my pleasure to join this call at this time. Mataji, Anjana Mataji was so inspiring. I always remember sometime back you had kept a DP in your WhatsApp. It said, "Oh Lord, please keep me as thy instrument of peace." So whenever I see, I can remember your face, because in Bhakti Sangha, I mean, all our Bhakti Sangha teachers are very loving and kind. But when I see Anjana Mataji, I see that she is the personification of that kindness. She is the mother of all kindness there. And as the Mataji who spoke a little while before, she said, like, Ashra and Janavi, they are your reflections. The kindness that you show, I can see in the kids' faces also. So you are a great inspiration for showing that motherly love and affection. And how nicely Ashra and Janavi are progressing. So we can see that's another inspiration for me, like how I should behave so that my kids can come up. If at all I can just imbibe 1%, I think my life will be successful. Thank you so much, Mataji, for doing all the services, for teaching the kids so lively, the drama practice sessions that you undertake. That's such a big experience for all the kids. I can say for all the kids, and especially for Shreya and Srihari, because during that lockdown period, they could not go out anywhere. The weather was so bad, and the only exposure was through Bhakti Sangha calls, and then they learned so much practicing for that drama. Not only the pastimes of the Lord, but then interacting. And I mean, that was a great life skill that they learned during the lockdown period. I'm so grateful for all that services that you do. And you had asked me for some services. I'm not sure if I did well with whatever my limited capacity I could offer. I did, Mataji. So wishing you a very, very happy birthday and a great year ahead. And may you keep inspiring all the mothers here in Bhakti Sangha. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. It's so inspiring to see, Mataji, how you are growing, Sri and Srihari. They know all the slokas so fast. You are teaching them so nicely, Mataji. It's really inspiring, Mataji. And you are even from India also, you are coming and doing all the sloka and Sunday presentation. Very nice. Thank you, Mataji, for your services.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you, Jyoti Mataji. This was so kind and so sweet of you to wake up at 3 in the morning and come and remember and do this. Just wanted to add, Sita Priti Mataji also wanted to come at 3 in the morning to wish you. She was also scheduled to come, but she's fallen sick. So she's unfortunately not able to keep up. She just texted some 2-3 hours ago that the infection is very heavy, so she's not able to get up. So she said she will send you a separate video.
Okay, thank you, Mataji, for that update. Yes, I think then everyone is done. Did I miss anyone? Is anyone there?
Mataji, I want to say one more.
Yes, please go ahead, Ma.
So much of time. Sorry, Mataji. Mataji, I also really like your Facebook live. I generally don't like Facebook. I never go into it. Only goes whenever I need to post something. Then only I go there. Whenever I go, whenever I see Jahnavi, Asara sitting and you are sitting in the center, even though I don't understand Nepali, I love to listen that. I love to listen. So long I listen. I mean, I get most of the points because we already heard Bhagavad Gita, so we are familiar what you are talking. So I could easily understand it. And especially I'm really very proud of you, Mataji. Your father-in-law also comments you. Hare Krishna and everything, that is so great. I mean, I don't know how proud you feel. I mean, if my father-in-law and mother-in-law will comment me if I'm giving class, I would have jumped. Means he's always there on the call and he listens to your class. You are such a nice Mataji, so inspiring Mataji.
It's a big challenge for me to do Facebook Live. Actually, my Prabhuji's family is not very favorable, but I do with the kids. They like kids, That's the reason they comment. They love the kids because they are missing so much. But anyway, it's a Guru Maharaj's desire. You all are liking means maybe Guru Maharaj is liking. I was thinking maybe it's good or not. Sometimes it's too much of everybody. It's actually as a service we are doing. Sometimes we get so much of comment, maybe distracted. But anyway, this is service for Guru Maharaj, and it's really challenging from my Prabhuji's family actually. But thank you, Mataji. All of your blessing. Maybe I could overcome this obstacle and do the services, Mataji.
Definitely Guru Maharaj will help you, Mataji. It is touching many hearts, Mataji, your Facebook live.
Yeah, yes, I agree, Mataji. She's doing so nicely and she looks so beautiful, right? In her saris and she looks very, Mataji, you look very beautiful and
Yeah, she's extremely beautiful.
yeah, and you're engaging both of them also. You're sitting with both of them. It's very nice to see you.
And she also does Nepali classes, Bhagavad Gita classes.
That's so nice.
Kids classes and Bhagavad Gita classes, right?
Yes. We started kids class for the Nepal also. I do Monday services. Same kind of Damodar. They started from the Damodar. Yeah, they're doing nicely. Something.
Mataji, we have Manmai Krishna.
Yeah, Manmai Krishna. You want to
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Mataji, I want to say something like, whenever you do Facebook Live, Ashra was singing, every time she sings new bhajan. That shows how much you have trained her and you are training little Jahnavi also. They know so many shlokas. I feel like, I should learn from them because all the kids are so trained and they remember. I try to remember shlokas, but I forget. And they remember whatever you taught them, they remember and they sing the shlokas. It's really amazing, Mataji. Your children are like, example for us. I wish my children were like small now and I would have taught them. They are already grown up and they won't listen and they do whatever they want to do.
You are serving the devotees so nicely, Mataji. Everybody is really grateful with you, Mataji. I have so much of association because of you. So many saintly persons come in the call and give association, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Shama Gauri Mataji, for sharing that. Indu Mataji was saying who's Manmai Krishna. She wanted to wish.
Mataji, can I say happy birthday to Mataji?
Yes, go ahead.
Happy birthday, Anjana Mataji. Hope you have a good day.
Thank you so much, Prana. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji. Happy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav. So sweet. Manmay Krishna, you wanted to wish?
I want to tell Mataji something.
Yes, go ahead.
Mataji,
Yes, Manmay.
I like to join class because I want to learn so many Krishna things.
Thank you.
And even I like and even my mommy, Amma told me to join this Krishna class every day.
Thank you so much. You are so sweet and learning so many slokas from Kunti prayers and then regular Damodar class.
Mataji, I sometimes forget some slokams.
It's fine. It's fine. Still, you are learning so much. Yes.
Yes, I only know some slokams.
You know lot of. I heard.
Thank you. Then I think everyone is done, Mataji. Yes. I thank everyone for joining and thank you, Anjana Gopika Mataji. Special thanks to you for bearing with us.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Please, all of you.
Thank you, Mataji, for
We would
taking
like
your
to
time.
mention Prabhuji for his birthday, Mataji.
Prabhuji has joined?
No, he did not join. I was calling him. He's not answering my phone call.
You want to say Prabhuji Babu?
Okay.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you all so much. Thank you. And thanks for taking the time out, Anjana Gopika Mataji, in spite of not telling you ahead of time.
Yeah.
When Samarupini Mataji was telling, I just by her when she was saying, yeah, it's fine. You are all so sweet, Mataji. And,
So Mataji didn't know what your plan was. We just called you and took your time. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Mataji, Prabhuji is coming.
Yeah, I will ask. Vinitha Mataji is asking.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Happy birthday to you also in advance.
Oh my God.
Yes, birthday.
Happy birthday, Prabhu.
In advance.
Happy birthday, Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you all
Happy
devotees.
birthday, Prabhuji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for always allowing Anjana Mataji to join all the classes. Thank you so much.
No, Mataji. This is her desire, you know. So I'm happy. When she's happy, I'm also happy, you know.
Nice, Prabhu. Nice. Thank you so much.
If she's not happy, I'm also not happy. If she's crying, I'm also crying. If she's smiling, I'm also smiling. So
Yeah. Very nice of you, Prabhu. You always drive her wherever she wants to go. And I know that you gave all the arrangements for the Facebook Live also. Mataji was telling that you brought some things that needed for Facebook Live. Very nice of you, Prabhu. You always support her.
Prabhuji wanted to me put everything dressed.
No, Mataji. I mean, it's not like supporting. I mean, it's husband and wife. You know, that's our life. So once you get married to somebody, so you have to support. You know, I mean, this is how it should go.
Very nice, Prabhuji.
And also, you know, she has very good qualities. You know, so I mean, she is very nice. So there's no point that, you know, I don't need to support her. You know, because she's really doing very great service to her husband. Like, you know, whenever I'm hungry, she's giving, like, you know, cooking stuff and try to make me happy. So it's like you know, I mean, in the family, if husband and wife happy, then family life gonna be very easy. But if there's something conflict or like, always fighting every day, so life gonna be very misery and like, it's gonna be hell, right? So in our life, it is very, we are so fortunate that we both like Srila Prabhupada. So that's the Krishna's mercy, Guru Maharaj's mercy, that we both actually are really happy in service of Srila Prabhupada. So we are very lucky. We are a very lucky couple that both, we like Srila Prabhupada teachings. So Mataji, basically, it's not only her service. I mean, I also feel that when she's doing some kind of service, I'm also feeling that I'm also doing some service to Srila Prabhupada, from behind. I don't have much time because, I have to go to job and I have to, earn some money, so she's staying home. So, she can give a lot of time in service of Srila Prabhupada than myself. So that's also actually, that's also benefit to me, like, that's beneficial to me, what she's doing. So, and I also like devotee association. I like devotees. I like, Hare Krishna movement. So, I mean, I'm trying my best, in service of Srila Prabhupada. So, I mean, I'm not, I don't think that, I don't think that like, I'm basically, giving her like, all kind of facilities. I didn't have much time, whatever, like, I'm not that perfect husband, but, as much as I can, every time, I'm trying to help her. And, I'm happy when I see, smile in her face. So I feel happy. So Mataji, it's kind of, also it's her quality. So she's very nice. And she's really, she listened to me, basically. She listened to me, whatever I say, in the family matters, whatever, like, she never put me in, like, 17 years of our marriage, she never put me in, like, trouble, like, in the family matters, like, with my parents or my sisters, whatever, like, I mean, she's really always, she's listening to me and she's supporting me. And I don't have any trouble, because of, my wife in my family, so that's also, I'm really grateful to her. So she always understands me and she knows me. And, she, even when I was doing my PhD, that time was really, really tough time. I mean, it took me so long to finish my PhD. And like, one point of time, my professor, actually told me that, you took so much time for finishing your PhD and your wife is so tolerant, I mean, your wife is so nice, she's tolerating you. I mean, there are very few, women, like, they tolerate husband who, like, finish this PhD for a long time, take a long time, because they cannot tolerate, you are in here and you have to go for a job, you have to have a very good life, financially also you should be better position, my professor told me. And like, yeah, and my wife, she always, encouraged me, don't worry, I'm happy. One day you will finish Krishna's mercy, one day you will finish your job, PhD, and, we'll find a good job. And don't worry, I'm okay, I'm happy. You are trying your best. And, I don't need any, money right now. We are doing Bhakti Vriksha. We are, trying to, we are in Krishna, Srila Prabhupada service. So I'm really happy with that. She always encouraged me, I mean, and it was very easy for me, even though it took long time for me to finish my PhD, but she never ever gave any kind of, like, complaining, or trouble to me when I was doing PhD. And in even my career, she's always helping me. She's also always supporting me. And in my family matters, my parents or my sisters, in those matters also, she never interfere. She never want to come in between, in my home, like, affairs, she always, be like, silent on those matters. And that's why I'm really, really like, happy because they cannot blame basically to my wife, all kind of stuff, whatever going on in family, they cannot blame to my wife. So I'm really grateful to my wife, because my wife, she's really, really supportive to me. So I'm really happy, getting her my wife, and I'm trying my best to help her, in her devotional service. That's it, Mataji.
Oh, Jai Ho!
So sweet. Hari bol.
So
Very
sweet,
nice
Prabhu.
glorification. Very nice.
Mataji.
That was so nice, Prabhu. Thank you so much for sharing.
Mataji.
Who's that?
Mataji.
Oh, Manmay Krishna.
Manmay Krishna.
Mataji, why are we going to
Prabhuji.
do with these papers? Yeah, I also have made it. Where is mine? Oh, can I show?
Okay, Mataji. Sure.
What is the timing for Damodar class, Mataji? Is it starting now?
Another 10 minutes only, right?
Okay. For Anjana Madhuri's birthday.
Okay, I think everyone is done. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Oh, okay. Go ahead, Manmay Krishna.
We will close this call and you can join back. Then I will tell you what to do it. Okay? Now Damodar class time, right? Everybody is gonna join. We will close this call and you come back. I will explain you.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining, and Prabhuji's glorification was very
Thank you,
on.
Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Glorification was so nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Anjana
you.
Gopi, for your time. Happy birthday once again.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Hare Krishna.
Happy birthday once again, Mataji. Bye bye.
Thank you.
की जय शीला प्रभुपाद की जय
Ki jai.
माता जी
Ki jai.
Janvi.
Janvi Gopi ki jai. Little Bal Vrinda ki jai. All Bhakta Vrunda ki jai. Nitai Gaur